Alright guys, so these are top 3 ways that you can make money. Um, Not the only ways, but this is how I'm doing it, so you guys could um, do the same. Alright, number one, we got Mercari. I gotta hurry up on this video though. Mercari, just made 300 today. 291. Sold some stuff I bought from Goodwill, whole batch of toys for 60. Good profit on that. Number two, we got Tai Lopez CashFlow system. So I got this a while ago, like 3, 4 weeks ago, but I just started marketing last week to my email list that I've been compiling. So I already made 500 last week, and today I just made 55 profit. So far it's working really well. I'm actually surprised. And then number three, we got Tai Lopez SMMA, and I'm gonna have to. So this is social media marketing agency program course. Yeah, so this one works too. I just got a client for like $2,000 um, to make them a website and start advertising for them next week. So yeah, I'm gonna make another video. This one sucks.